Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I will not be doing any unboxing of watches, but I'll do a bit of strap changing. Okay, for this watch, this is the CASIO MTP-VD01L series. Okay, so this is 50 meters water resistance, and there is a date here, date display. And the thing that I like about this watch is the white background, white dial, and the red second hand over there. Okay, now this is the original strap. So this is what you call that. Some people will call this as a butterfly leather strap, and some will call it as crocodile leather strap. But I don't think this is a real leather, but I think this one is a PU leather. It's not a real one, PU leather, but it comes with the watch. So now I ordered a leather strap from China. It is written as leather, so I'm not very sure whether it's true, whether it's real leather or not. So we'll just look wait and see, look at it. Okay, so that's it. So right, so this is the light brown, and this one is the dark brown. So if you it is advertised as real leather in the website. This is from China, and this only costs about 15 ringgit. That will be okay, 15 ringgit. Okay, 15 ringgit means this is just about $4 USD. So it's really cheap. Let's have a look and open it. Let's open it. So right, okay, right. So have a look here. It is stated there, printed genuine leather 22, because this is 22 inch, and this is the quick release spring bar up here. See that? I'm not very sure what is the real leather, but I will try it. Okay, but it's look good. And this is the buckle. Buckle look good, looks sturdy. Very good. Right, so I'm going to take this off. Okay, this one and this one, and I'm going to go back to you and show it to you shortly. Okay, wait for me. Okay, now so I have it fixed with the new strap, the new leather strap. So what do you think about it? It looked beautiful to me, as compared with the old one, which I think I still is going to keep this. And this is the original, so definitely I'm going to keep this. But if you look at it and see the difference, this is a $4 leather strap from China. So we are going to taste whether this is real leather or not. Okay, so look at that. It's looked like the real leather, but we don't know. It's stated there as genuine, but we don't know. Time will show us what this strap is made of. So let's see it on my wrist. Short while. Okay, so that's it, folks. So you just look at it. This is looking very good. Look at the buckle. It's look expensive, okay, expensive, but it's only about $4, 4 USD, 15 ringgit in Malaysian money. So only time can tell us whether it is really real leather or this strap lasts long. Okay, so only time can tell us. Right, so thank you very much. So if you like my video, please do subscribe. Thank you very much and goodbye. See you again.